This project can be the next dog with head. And the reason for that I will explain in this video. Guys, in case you missed dog with head, it is a project that was a first mover on Solana and reached an all-time high of $4 billion. Currently sitting just below 1 billion, but they did something that people didn't do before. I see the same things happening inside Mask. It is forming a big cult. It is a real narrative inside the meme coins. Like it is, I don't know, like you have dog with head and now you have cat with mask. And I will show you some examples on the Twitter page what I recognize inside dog with head. And if you see this, then you start realizing like, hey, this can be something huge. So let's start first with a chart of mask. After that, I want to talk about the tweets that I'm referring to. And then of course, I want to talk about my price predictions, what I'm thinking the project can do long term. So guys, let's start. Now you can see the chart of Mask, and as you see, it launched some days ago, some last week, and like this chart looks perfect for a nice entry. I was waiting for this moment, so I thought, let's make a video. So we saw it up running, and then now we have a pullback. These are the moments we want to take action. We don't want to buy when everything goes green, because there will be a moment that the price have a reversal, currently sitting at 11 million, and these are the moments we want to take action, because the people who bought the top are selling potentially in a loss right now. So we can take over their backs, buy ourselves in, and they will FOMO back in when the price goes higher. So let's start. Before I tell you more about the price predictions, let's start with the Twitter page, because there is something that is forming a big cult there. Straight on the top of the Twitter page, we see the pinned message. We see like 4 cats in different poses wearing a mask. Don't you think this is very memeable? You can use it in different kind of ways. You can use it on different kind of platforms and make funny videos. So this is the perfect meme coin. And this is the first thing that I like about the project. The next thing is this guy, Eric Stevens. It's a big guy on Twitter and he's changing his profile picture with a mask. Don't you think he knows more potentially? Like he changed his profile picture, not for every project. So he must be a big believer into this culture. The next thing that I noticed was the engagement. The engagement on all of these tweets are insane. Check out this tweet, guys. This guy is just posting some funny stuff with the mask and he got so much engagement from the mask army. I don't know what this guy is smoking, but this Spicer guy, I'm not sure if he made this video by himself or somebody else did, but these are the videos you want to have as a meme coin. Look at this video. We're gonna watch it right now.
Listen to the sound of
those elements into like funny, like the old dude is with the music and the cats all in one is the perfect fit to create some feeling, some connection with this kind of meme coin. Another big guy, Pooh, is also changing his profile picture. So they must be invited to the family of the cat with mask. So do you get what I'm trying to say here, guys? There is something forming, a very big cult with all these guys together changing his profile picture, and there is more, because not only the big guys on Twitter are changing the profile picture, but also a lot of community members are doing the same. Check out this. One normal guy thought, let me make a tweet about cat with mask, and this was the result. This guy got overwhelmed by the mask army. Check out how many comments, likes and stuff like that he gets on his mask tweets. It is insane. So let's get back to the chart, guys. This is the most important thing. Currently sitting at already 13 million. The last time when I bought myself in was 11 million. So currently the video, it is already up $2 million in market cap. And I think this is just the beginning. This can be a real big thing if all pieces falling together. So what is my prediction? Like, I really think we can get back to all-time high area first. After that, we need to see how things go, because dog with head was like a first mover, but still like 100 million isn't that hard, and that is already a 10x from here. So 100 million first target. Let's see how things goes and I will keep you updated. So all comment, like and subscribe to the Crypto June channel if you want to see more mask videos. Peace.